So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to connect Dragon City account to your Facebook account. So the first thing you want to do is to enter Dragon City the app. From here you can see some of the tasks that you have, maybe some of the things that you can collect. But from there you will need to direct your attention to the bottom left and you will see social. So you can connect through there, click on that, click on friends. And after that, you will see the prompt to log in and get 10 diamonds. So that's an in-game currency. You don't have to go through there. There's another way to connect Facebook account. You can go to the top right with this little gear icon, which will be your settings. Open that and straight away you will see sign in with Apple. If you have an iOS device, connect with Facebook or change player. So you can click on connect with Facebook. And it says here you want to save your progress, log in using Facebook and get 10 diamonds. So it says log in and get 10. It's the same offer that you had before, but maybe through here it makes more sense to log in with your Facebook. And it says here we will not publish anything on your Facebook without your permission. So you can use that to actually play the game, maybe find some friends through there, and you can maybe even publish stuff on Facebook if you reach a certain level or something like that, some accomplishment you've reached in game. So that's about it. If you click on that, you will get 10 diamonds. It will link with your Facebook application. If you don't have it, it's going to open a prompt that you just need to put in your Facebook login information. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Dragon City or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.